What is up, YouTube? Back with another Pokemon Live Showdown using the same team as the last battle. Our last live battle got us to 3 wins, 2 losses, so let's keep this up. Try to go for that 4-2 that I wanted to today. A little loud. Wow, the volume's so loud. Alright, sorry about that. Apologize to your ears. Alright, who do I want to lead off with? I see the Sableye hiding behind that Conkeldurr right there. Thinks he can't see me. He thinks he's tricky. But I see him. Now I want to predict the Sableye, so I'm going to go with the Togekiss. And I was correct on the Sableye, so I'm just going to Dazzling Gleam. He goes for the fake. Oh, that thing gets Fake Out. No, I really should have known it. That Prankster. Prankster Confuse Ray. Really good, but I managed to get... I pushed through the confusion. Togekiss goes for the Dazzling Gleam. She's just so dazzling. N64 versus PS1. N64, please. Alright, he brings out Fat Trash. So I'm going to go into... is Fat Trash a physical or special attack? I'm going to go into Swampert. He goes right for the Toxic Spikes. He has some flyers. Do I want to predict a flyer coming in and go for the Stone Edge? That 80% hit accuracy? You know, that Mandibuzz is annoying, so I'm going to try and predict it, and he doesn't switch. That is surprising. I go for the Waterfall. Oh, he's still not switching. I don't know if he's trying to out-predict me on the switches? Or what? Alright, he's got to switch now. No, he's going for the Paint Split. Alright, I guess it's time I just go for the Earthquake. I swear, if he switches out right now, I'm just gonna... Okay, so he still stayed in. I guess since he got his spikes up, he was okay with losing them. Well, that was just a case of me over-predicting. Or maybe it was him over-predicting. Who knows? And now he finally goes for the Mandibuzz. Now Swampert's gonna die soon. So... What attack is he gonna go for? Should I go for the safe Avalanche? I'm gonna go for the safe Avalanche. Not sure who's faster. Yeah, he goes for the knockoff. Which you know is good. I'd rather lose... Oh! I totally forgot I have a Wish Blissey on my team. I could have saved that Swampert. But that knockoff would have meant losing another item Pokemon. So I will deal with that. I'm going to go with the Rocky Helmet because he's still going to take the Rocky damage. And I'm going to set up the Stealth Rocks. And then maybe I could force a Defog and get rid of these Toxic Spikes. So he's going to knock me off. He's going to kick Buffs again and the Rocky Helmet. I'm going to lose my Rocky Helmet now. And now I'm going to go for a Dragon Tail. He's going for Foul Play. Very nice. Luckily, I'm not max attack invested. Okay, so he's going to go into... Okay, that's a lovely name. Alright, I'm going to hold on to my Garchomp and make the smart decision here and hold on to him unlike last time. And I'm going to go straight into Blissey. Ooh, this is a mega one. And he misses the Leech Seed. Which is good by me. I'm going to go with the Heal Bell. Yeah, I'm going to go with the Heal Bell. Heal off my Blissey. Ooh, he's going straight for the knockoff. Luckily for him, I had a Mental Herb on here. So I'm okay with that. I have the Mental Herb because having a taunted Blissey sucks. And I like to have one item on each Pokemon, so I don't like to double up on items. So I figured the Mental Herb would be good enough. I'm going to go for the Wish here. He just used a seed bomb. Could Garchomp take a seed bomb? He's at 15.5%. The question is, do I really need Garchomp? Or do I just want to get my Togekiss? Oh, but he's poison type. No, so no. I'm gonna go for the Heat Train actually. And take this guy out. Okay, so he goes for the Leech Seed. I'm gonna go for the safer Lava Plume and try and get the burn off. Should I just go for the Eruption because I want to get wished soon. I'm gonna go for the Eruption. Not sure if Leech Seed or Wish will go first or second. Hopefully the Wish will kick in second. Oh, look at that damage. Ah, and that's why you don't go with Choice Scarf Heatran. Alright, so his moves are Seed Bomb, Leech Seed, and Earthquake so far. That's not good. This is not looking good. Thinking this is going to bring us to 3-3 record-wise. That Mega Venusaur, it's way too good. Glad it's seeing some play. I remember when it came out, everyone went for the Charizard bandwagon. Then people realized how good the Blastoise Mega was, and then finally they're like, hey, Mega Venusaur is pretty awesome. I'm gonna go for a Wish here. And I faint, so I don't get my wish off. My wishes will never come true, apparently. I'm just gonna go for Togekiss. I'm gonna die, but I at least want to get off a Thunder Wave here. And he goes for the Leech Seed. What? Do you not carry a poison attack? Can I actually do something here? Aww. Air Slash to still deal some damage to him, and it's a one-hit KO. Oh, thank you. We're back, kind of. But I got a Leech Seed on me. And Toxic Spikes below me. Who's he gonna go for? Mandibuzz. I should outspeed a Mandibuzz. If I don't outspeed a Mandibuzz, I'm gonna be very upset with myself. And I don't outspeed a Mandibuzz. Wow. What? How fast are you, Mandibuzz? Ooh, I'm getting low on HP now. Oh, I was hoping for the Conkeldurr to come in because I want to get a Roost off. But I'm just going to go for an Air Slash here because that's the smartest move. Alright. Actually, I could outspeed a Conkeldurr to my knowledge. You know, I'm just going to go for the Dazzling Gleam. Yes! Go Togekiss! That brings our record to 4-2! The underdog! Coming back, Mr. Fish Talk. Oh, thank you, Togekiss. Great battle, Mr. N64, PS1. Very enjoyable. Remember to comment, rate, subscribe. Tell me how good I'm doing. Tell me what you would like to see me do to improve this channel. Also, check out my Shuckle video. I have a Shuckle moveset review where I go over 6 different Shuckle sets. And the goal of this video is to get 10 likes on it, and I will have Shuckle Week next week. For all my live battles, I'm going to each of the day of the week, 6 days of the week, I'm gonna have a different Shuckle that I highlighted on my team, and we can find out what truly is the best Shuckle set. Also, while you're watching that video, just like it. Just comment what Shuckle you would even like me to see for Pokemon replays. I'm going to do Pokemon Showdown replays. We're going to throw some Shuckles on there, whatever one you guys vote for. Today is Tuesday, so this is going to be my 2 for Tuesday. This is going to be my downtime where I just put the 2 live Pokemon Showdowns and stockpile some replays and some moveset profiles. Just to show you some guys, I'm going to give you a little sneak peek. Those are the upcoming Pokemon profiles. You have some Pavilion, Murkrow. Now this is not the Murkrow that I run on my team that you guys have seen. This is a different Murkrow. And one of my personal favorite Chimechos. So those are some upcoming profiles we're going to be working on. There's that